Hello everyone, Azim here. We are taking a look at bone and its composition, specifically in the extracellular matrix. So we obviously know that bone has calcium in it, but really it's calcium phosphate. That's the main mineral ingredient found in the extracellular matrix of bone. But there's one other thing found in the extracellular matrix that isn't inorganic. It's not a mineral. It is organic. It is a protein called collagen. And so we can look at the properties of bone by messing with it, treating it with different things, whether it's acid or baking, and seeing what that does to the bone and the integrity of the bone. So we have two jars here. One jar, I'm not going to tell you which, one jar is treated with acid, one jar has been baked. If you treat something with acid, that usually eats up the mineral, so that would eat up the calcium phosphate. If you bake something, high heat can denature proteins. In other words, it messes up the structure of proteins. So high heat would mess up the collagen. Collagen is needed to help keep bones flexible. Calcium phosphate is needed to maintain the structural integrity, all that compression and pressure that bone is known for. So, which one is treated with acid versus which one's been baked? If we're eating away the mineral, that would be this jar. This is decalcified because of acid. This jar has been baked. By baking the bone, the collagen has been denatured and it makes the bone more brittle. And so you can see how much more brittle the bone is after you bake it. You can see this in one more example. Oops. Here we have some bone that's been decalcified. This bone's been decalcified and it's very bendy and pliable. So it's lost its overall structural integrity, but it can still bend. It can still bend because the collagen's intact. And you can bend it often without even breaking it. This is a better example right here. This bone is bent, but it's not fully snapped because the collagen is still intact, but the calcium is gone. So that's a demonstration of what's in the extracellular matrix of bone. You have calcium phosphate, which is very strong, kind of like concrete, and then you have collagen, which helps maintain the flexibility of bone.